Virtualization and the cloud make IT more efficient, adaptable, and scalable. That's why cloud adoption grew more than 20% this year alone. Virtualization, however, does not make physical IT infrastructure any less important. In fact, effective management of physical infrastructure is now more important than ever. Here's why. First, not all applications can or should run in the cloud, and those that remain running on-premise are typically your most critical and compliance-sensitive systems. So the more you migrate to the cloud, the more vigilantly you have to protect anything you're still running on-premise. Second, because virtualization lets you pack more services onto each machine, it's more critical to keep those machines healthy. Sure, virtualization offers you failover, but failover is a last resort, not something you want to depend on every day. Third, as you pack more virtual servers onto your physical machines, those machines run hotter and consume more power, so you have to manage cooling and power consumption more wisely. Fourth, internal IT organizations now compete against cloud providers for the right to serve the business. If IT can't do so reliably, and if it can't minimize operational costs such as power, cooling, and floor space, IT will lose that competition. Fifth and finally, you need on-premise physical infrastructure to connect to the cloud in the first place. You therefore have to ensure that your business doesn't lose access to essential cloud services because of a local power failure, or because someone accidentally unplugged something. So there are 5 reasons why effective management of physical IT infrastructure is getting more important, not less. How should you respond to the increasing importance of physical infrastructure? For one thing, you can implement smarter power management and protection. Put the right power management tools in place and carefully monitor the efficiency of your data centers and server rooms. For another, rethink how you keep your IT equipment cooled. Take steps to make sure you don't get blindsided by overheating problems and excessive cooling costs. Then there's the physical security of your equipment, which can be especially problematic in remote offices, where equipment is often thrown willy-nilly into a closet, and where you may not have IT staff around to keep an eye on things. Get enclosures that protect your equipment against unauthorized physical access, while also allowing you to remotely monitor cooling and power. Remember, physical infrastructure is not going away, so do what you have to protect it, and to keep your operational costs down. That way, you can keep meeting the needs of your business, even as they continue to grow faster than your budget.